Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DotNetNuke.com. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can set up a PayPal Buy It Now button on your DotNetNuke site, but this time you will give different options for your user. For instance, if you are selling t-shirts, you may want to allow them to select small, medium, large. Or if you are selling shoes, you may want to allow them to select the color. So this is what we'll be talking about today, is how to set this up by using PayPal. Now, in a previous video, I have covered how you can create a simple Buy It Now button on your .NETNuke website. But again, this one here is a little bit more complex. You're gonna give different options for your user. Now, this video came as a request from Anthony Aprilant. I have done a lot of work with him, and he asked me that question, and I said, you know what, it's a good topic to create a video for it. So this video may run over 10 minutes, so I may have to split in two parts. I'll tell that up front. So we do have a website here, a .NETNuke website, and I have PayPal open as well. And I have just clicked on Merchant Services. So first thing that we're gonna do here is let's set up our options in PayPal via the Merchant Services, and then we click Buy It Now button. Then for our example, yes, we're gonna keep this as Buy It Now. I'm going to say that we're gonna sell t-shirts. So this is a shirt, and the item ID will be 002, just for the sake of example. I'm not gonna set one fixed price. I'm actually gonna check this option that says Add drop-down menu with price option. So I click it here. Here's how it will be showing up. Now, I'm going to create different sizes. And it might be different sizes, different colors, but in my case, I'm going to create different sizes. I'm going to create small, which will cost, let's say, $10, 10 US dollars, and a medium that will cost $15, and a large t-shirt that will cost $20. Again, just for the sake of example. Now let's press done. So this is how it will show up in my website. Small 10, medium 15, large $20. I'm not gonna set up any shipping, any taxes, and I'm gonna use my secure merchant account ID. So I'm not gonna dig into those other options. The focus here is how to set up those sizes. Now let's click Create button. So here's the tricky part. In my first video that I show how to create a Buy It Now button, a very simple Buy It Now button, there was an option that I think it was right beside website that says email, and I instructed to go via that option. But here we don't have that facility. We just have one single blurb of script of HTML here. It just gives me this option called website. So that's what I have to do. I have to use this blurb here, this code here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna copy this, and I'm going to create a local file to save this. So here is a text editor, very simple text editor. You can do this in Notepad as well. And here's my code. What I'll be doing is I'll be saving this locally. And I'll be calling this as PayPal.html, because this is a piece of HTML code. So I'm going to save this under my documents, save it locally. Now, I just want to explain why am I just not going to copy this and paste it directly in a DotNetNuke page. And the reason is because in a DotNetNuke page, there is already a tag called form. And if we paste this code inside a .NETNuke page, what will happen is that the existing form tag will conflict with this form, with the PayPal form. So that's the reason why I'm not going to copy and paste it directly into a page in DotNetNuke. That's the reason why I'm saving it locally as an HTML file, and I'm gonna use another strategy to be able to place this inside the page. Actually, we will be using an iframe to be able to frame this HTML page that we will upload to the site and refer via the iframe module. We're gonna point to this page, and then this page will be shown inside an iframe inside of our page. A little bit complex, a little bit more work than just a plain copy and paste, but I'm going to go through it right now. So we have saved the file locally. Now I'm going to my website, and I will log in as super user. Now the first thing that I will try to do is I will try to upload this file that I have just saved locally to the website. And I'm not gonna use FTP, I'm gonna try to upload it via File Manager, so we can use only the interfaces available from the DotNetNuke website. So let's go to Admin, File Manager. Now I can upload to the root folder of my portal, or I can select another folder. I can create a folder. I'm gonna keep it here. I'm gonna upload to the portal root folder. So I have it checked. Now I'm going to click upload, and I'm going to select that file. Important to know where the file is being placed, but I'm going to select that file that I have just created. It's under my documents. Okay, so PayPal, here's PayPal. Let's click on open, and then let's upload it to the portal root. That's fine. Let's click upload file. Now that's good that this message came up. It's telling me that the extension, which is HTML, is not one of the authorized extensions in this website. That's okay, we can fix that, and I have actually covered that in a different video, but let's do that very quickly now. Let's go under host settings. From here, let's scroll down all the way under other settings. There's a list of allowable file extensions. Let's add HM and HTML as well, HTML. Okay, so let's add those extensions so we will be able to upload the file that we have saved locally. So let's click update. Now let's go back to admin, file manager, and let's upload our file. Let's see if it will work now. Click browse, and then go to your file, find the folder, click open, and then click upload. Okay, upload seems to have happened successfully. It must be around here, the page. Let's view 40 items, 40 files per page. So PayPal HTML is right here. We were able to upload the file to the website. Now what we have to do is we will create a page. We will add the iframe module to that page, and we'll make that iframe point to this file, to this HTML file that we have just uploaded. This is the end of video 1 on how to create a multiple option buy it now button, PayPal buy it now button.